Hi Kirtana, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. So can you tell me something about your automation framework?
Yeah, sure.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, in our current organization, we use hybrid-driven framework built using Java, Selenium, Maven, and Cucumber. The framework combines both the data-driven and keyword-driven approaches. It is Maven-based project, which helps in managing dependencies and build the life cycle. So the project is structured as under the SRC main Java directory. We maintain all configuration related classes like config reader, driver factory, base page, utility classes. And under SRC test Java, we have features written in Gherkin syntax, step definition that links the Gherkin steps to Java code,
Mm-hmm.
and a test runner class to execute the scenarios using cucumbers at the red cucumber option. Uh, and under test data folder, we have test data.xlsx, which contains the test data for driven scenarios. And also we use hooks at the rate before and at the rate after to set up and tear down activities, and WebDriver Manager to handle browser drivers. And for reporting, we have integrated Cucumber HTML reports and extend reports to provide detailed execution results with the screenshots.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. So let's say if you have to write a feature file, if you have to
Okay.
design a feature file for a normal Google page. So when you
Mm,
open Google, you
mm,
are searching something and you are getting some results. So you have
mm.
to write a feature file for this scenario. So how would you write it?
Feature file for Google.
For this Google page. You are
Oh,
opening Google page on your
okay.
laptop and you are
Okay.
searching anything and then you're getting the results. So can you write the feature file for this scenario?
Yeah, sure. Should I share the screen or should
Yeah,
I?
yeah, yeah. If you can share the screen.
Okay.
Yeah, you have got screen sharing rights.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hmm. Can you share your screen?
Yeah. Um,
Hmm.
mhm.
Yeah. So can you write the feature file?
Yeah. Um,
Can you increase the font size a bit? Yeah.
is it okay now?
Yeah, yeah, much clear.
Okay.
Hmm. So this is a scenario. Now, if you open Google page and you enter something there and then you click on search, then you get the response. So can you write the feature file now? Yeah, given.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So here you are using and keyword.
Yeah.
Okay. And where is the then keyword?
Yeah. One.
Mm-hmm.
Is this okay?
Hmm. See, scenario is fine. Now, given user is on Google page is also fine. When user enters a Selenium WebDriver in the search box and clicks on the search button. So this two you can combine. When user enters double inverted comma in the search box and clicks on the anything in the search box and clicks on the search button. So this will be your when keyword because this is your action item. This is what you are
Yeah.
performing the action, right? This will come in your when keyword and is used for miscellaneous screenshots. If you want to attach some screenshot or if you want to have some miscellaneous things, you'll be going for and keyword. Then is used for verification. So that is fine. Then user should be able to see the results. Now see, let's say you are entering Selenium WebDriver. Next day you enter Playwright. Third day you enter something as TestNG. So your search item is getting changed. It is dynamic. So how would you handle it in your automation?
I think.
Mhm.
Like this.
Mm-hmm. So this is your parameter then.
Yeah.
Okay, then what else you will do?
In the definition file, uh, we'll use at the rate and method at the rate and we will mention this entire step line file. Here we'll use oh,
Take your time, take your time, no worries. Take your time. So what will you do in this case is, see, you will enter this parameter and you'll convert this feature file scenario to scenario outline.
okay, sorry,
And you will
sorry,
enter the test data in the form of parameters,
yeah,
right? With the separated by pipe characters, right?
sorry, I lost my internet connection. I couldn't.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Let me explain it to you again. So what will you do in this case is, first of all, this thing you have entered, the sixth line is a parameter. So all the parameters, you'll convert it into the scenario outline form. So you'll have different parameters which are separated by a pipe-based character.
Yeah, yeah, I,
And
I'm
this
ready.
scenario would be converted to scenario outline,
Yeah, I
right?
will.
So, yeah. So that is
Give
that
an
is
example keyword you can.
correct, correct. Using examples, absolutely correct, right? So that's what is expected here. So before you write the answer, you can tell that this is the case in which we'll be going for scenario outline.
Mm.
And directly you can start your answer with that itself. No problem, no problem. This is fine. Okay, I'm stopping your screen sharing. Fine. So now we'll move ahead with the next question. Okay, let's say you have some TestNG. You are aware about TestNG?
Yeah.
Okay, you have a test method and it needs to be executed multiple times, let's say 50 times in TestNG. So how
Mm.
would you do that in TestNG?
Oh,
Mhm. What will you do in this case?
um, sorry.
No problem. So here you can use invocation count. That is one of the parameter in TestNG,
Okay.
right? Let me share the data with you. Wait. See, so invocation count, you can keep how many number of times you want to execute that particular test case, and you can keep the method after that, right? So if you keep this invocation count parameter value as 50, it would run 50 times. If you keep it 100, it would run for 100 times. At the rate test, invocation count equal to 50 or 100. Okay, wait, so this is done. Okay, can you tell me about the priority in TestNG?
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. We can prioritize the like priority helps control the order in which our test methods run. By default, TestNG runs test in alphabetical order, but when we use priority, we can tell TestNG which test to run first, second, third, and
Mm-hmm.
all.
Okay, so now let me share the screen. Okay, let's say you have these test cases with these priorities. Hmm. So you have a test case A, which is having priority equal to -1. You have test case B, which is having priority equal to 0. And you have test case C, which is having priority equal to 1. So which test case would get executed first and then second and then last?
First test case A, then test case B, then test case C.
Okay, can you tell me the reason behind this?
Uh, we it first I mean, uh, what do we say that it will least priority will be executed first.
Okay.
Then uh, after that second least, then likewise it will execute.
Mm-hmm.
Go on executing that
Okay, let's say if two test cases are having same priority, then which one will get executed first?
based on alphabetical order.
Alphabetical order. Okay, fine. Okay, how do you run parallel execution in TestNG? How do you do parallel execution in TestNG?
database.
Mm. You're aware about this?
Yeah,
Mm.
and just give me a
Yeah, yeah, take your time to think. You want to have a glass of water, you can have it.
mm, uh, we have to mention in uh this XML file.
TestNG.xml file. Okay, correct. Then,
Uh, yeah, if we want to execute the test method, we have to mention in the suite as a parallel is equal to methods, or if we want to do ex- uh, if we want to execute classes, different classes parallelly, then we have to mention classes. Am I
mm.
right?
Okay, no problem. So let this be an open question for the people who are watching this video. How would you do parallel execution using TestNG? Okay, can you tell me what is data provider in TestNG?
Mm, data provider, which is used to uh,
Mm.
for the sentences,
No problem, no problem. Take your time.
like we can okay data if we want to run same test methods
Mm.
multiple times with the different set of data, we can
Mm.
use data providers.
Okay, can you write the code for data provider? Just uh, the data provider set of code.
Yeah, sure.
Mm.
I doing it right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. You first complete your answer, then I'll correct it.
Mhm. Mhm. Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, can you explain me why are we using this two-dimensional array in this?
It is this is considered like sorry, this is considered as a first row and second row.
Mm-hmm.
And this is first column, second column. It is in the form of two-dimensional. This A is sorry, this A is considered as uh is it is in the place of 0, 0 matrix. Sorry, 0,
Mm-hmm.
0, and it is in 0, 1 position. So likewise, B is in 1, 0th position, and 2 is in 2,
So,
2 position.
so if you see the 10th line, public object of, over there you have put one square bracket. Would we get two square bracket there?
Yeah, yeah.
Right? Yeah. Now the code is perfect. Right? So that was the thing that was to be corrected. Okay. Data you have used at the rate test. Okay. Great. Fine. Now, I'm stopping your screen sharing. Okay. Can you tell me what is hooks file? What is the purpose of hooks file?
Books, in this,
Mm-hmm.
okay, like in Cucumber, we use hooks like these are like block of code that
Mm-hmm.
runs before or after each scenario or step in our feature files. Like they help us to set up test environments, like launching browsers and all.
Mm.
Tear down environment, like closing browsers, and that's it.
Okay. So in hooks file, you would be able to by using hooks file, you will be able to I would say provide a before after methods, right? Setup and tear down methods are provided in the hooks
Mm,
file, right?
yeah,
Okay. Mm. Okay, what is the use of actions class?
actions class. It is
Hmm.
used to perform uh, in a browser. It is used to perform like advanced user interactions,
Hmm.
like mouse over, drag and drop, uh, right click, double click, click
Hmm.
and hold, keyboard actions and all.
Hmm.
Mm.
What else?
Uh,
That's
that's it.
it.
Yeah,
Okay, fine, fine. I'm sharing one link with you in the chat box.
yeah.
You have to open this link and you have to find the locator, right? Share your screen. You have to find out the locator for search option. Right? Can you share your screen?
Mm.
Yeah, you can see the search option at the top right side beneath the bag.
Okay.
Okay, so you have to find the locator for this option. You're using Selectors Hub.
No, no.
You don't
I'm comfortable with this.
you don't have to use Selectors Hub in interview.
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay.
No, 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 this is not the correct locator. See, if you are seeing this class as one of the attribute, right? And if you see the value of class, it is icon space
Mm,
icon, then icon dash this theme 168. So there is a white space between two icons.
mm,
So then this kind of XPath is not reliable.
mm.
Try it another way.
Mm.
Yeah. So you're getting one of one.
Yeah.
Okay. You have used normalized space. Fine. Fine. Okay. How about gift cards?
Mm,
Okay, that becomes easy now. Okay, fine.
mm.
Can you explain how have you used um, encapsulation in your framework?
Encapsulation.
Hmm.
Uh,
How did you use encapsulation? Hmm.
Encapsulation is uh, first we define first we define a private web elements.
Hmm.
Private web elements inside of which class and public methods provide to interact with those web elements, those elements like clicking, typing, or get text.
Hmm.
And yeah, so
Yeah.
private, yeah,
Yeah. So how is encapsulation used here? Public is fine, private is fine, but what is encapsulation?
encapsulation is hiding sensitive data and
Hmm?
which means like wrapping data and methods that
Hmm.
operates on data into a single class,
Okay.
restricting direct access to some of the object components.
Okay. Fine. So in encapsulation, what we are doing is we are keeping some of the data members as private,
Yeah.
but using getter and setter methods, they are being accessed into the another classes, right? So that's the concept of encapsulation that you have to explain. Okay, fine. How about method overloading? Method overloading is a part of polymorphism.
Hmm.
How do you use it in your automation framework?
Method overloading, like if you have any uh, thing.
No problem, no problem. That's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Kirtana, I'm done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
Sorry.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, it was a good interview. Don't worry. Except two or three questions, you were able to answer most of the questions, right? It was a good interview. Your presentation skills are good, your communication skills are good, and now you have to practice these things, right? What is happening is you know the answers, but at the time of interview, maybe you're forgetting them. So practice these things and it would be taken care, right? Not to worry at all.
Thank you.